Hi, this is Rich from Sluggo's RC, and it's Saturday, February 23rd, and me and my friend Craig are flying, and this is my first real video I'm uploading to YouTube where I speak over my video. This is my Parrot and Anfie, and I'm flying over to my friend's house. It's a cloudy day, pretty nice. Like I said, this is my first real video, and I get lost. It's a long video, but I'm just doing it to remember how to save the file and render it and stuff. But I'm gonna try and shorten it up, really. But yeah, it's my friend's field. And we're flying over, and it's a pretty interesting video. I go pretty far with my Parrot and Anfie. I just got it a few weeks ago, and I really like it. But I know the videos will get better, I promise. I gotta learn a lot. Editing's not very easy. And this is my zoom in. And actually, this is the first time watching this video, but this is where I get turned or confused. I started heading towards my neighbor's field, cow field, and I thought I was heading towards my mother's house. And I got nervous. I was flying with my friend Craig, but so I go this way for a while. Huh. I didn't even know where I was going. I thought I was heading towards no. This thing's got a range on it, I'll tell you. And then and I realize I'm way over there. I get nervous flying with people too, but well, and then I end up coming back. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video, and like I said, the videos will get better. And well, I'll take you back in. I stop for a while, I'm confused, and then I come back to my mother's house. It's a pretty nice house. My friend Craig was over. I got a long way to go. I'm gonna have to shorten this video up. I was pretty high up. I was 200 feet up. And we come in for a landing. And we're home safe at this point. Alright, well, thanks for watching. And continue to watch. The videos will get better. I'm learning to edit. I got Premiere Pro. And I'm just having a problem rendering and finding the files. It's a real pain in the neck. If you've ever done it, you're gonna do it, you'll find out. Alright, well, thanks for watching.